We're going to be making fluffy homemade gnocchi, pan frying them until golden and crispy with a velvety poutine sauce and squeaky cheese. Not only did I want to support local produce here, but a fluffy gnocchi requires starchy or floury potatoes. Placing them on a salt-lined baking sheet and slicing them lengthwise are two critical steps that will help remove any excess moisture during the baking process. To mash your potatoes, you can always use a fork or a ricer, but to go that next level, I'm going to be using a fine mesh tammy. We're going to make sure to pass them through the sieve while they're still hot. Using a bench scraper, I'm going to combine the ingredients, creating a shaggy shape of a ball. I'll continue kneading it on the cutting board for about 30 seconds until it's all put together. Going for the more rustic pillow shape to absorb that nice poutine sauce. Putting them in the freezer for about 10 minutes.
I'm going to be using a local product. This is from Saint-Guillaume. On utilise les bons produits de Québec ici. I understand that not everyone has access to them, so you can always make your poutine sauce from scratch.
To reduce food waste, I'm making potato skin chips to add a little extra crunch to our poutine. We're going to be adding our gnocchi in boiling water just until they float. Cranking the pan on high heat, tossing them around until we have a nice golden color. Plating my poutine in a cliche takeout box with a squeaky cheese and hot sauce, adding the potato skin chips, and there you have it, a crispy gnocchi poutine. If you're interested in other videos, be sure to click these above and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.